Hello, this is your librarian, Miss Black. I'm here to show you some good databases and some good sites to go to get quality research done. Another one that you'll find under the Galena Destiny homepage, of course, go here under databases, is ABC-CLIO. And probably a lot of you are pretty familiar with it because you use it with your social studies classes. But it's an excellent source even for your English class research papers, if that's what you need it for. You're going to go here to search all databases. Let's just pick a person. Let's look for Queen Elizabeth. Now, you can search, if you put all databases, you can search all of them. If you wanted to just pick, I don't know, one or two, you could do that. But it will divvy them up for you as you go. So you can go ahead and just hit search. And you'll see these are your results. Under American Government, you're going to have 24. Under American History, 38. World at War, 73. And then it's up to you to pick which one of those do you want to look at first. Maybe World History, the Modern Era. Let's click that and see what we have. All right, as with every database that we've gone over so far, over here is your filters, and they're just as important. Most students tend to give up on databases altogether. They get overwhelmed with the 349 options because they're not sure about how to use these filters. So please use them. So first they ask you all time periods. No, how about we go through till what? Cold War era? Sound good? Let's just click that. Then we can have biographies. Political cartoons, videos, visuals. We can decide, do we want speeches? Do we want political court documents, perhaps? Do we want letters and narratives? Yes. We want some primary sources, I'm sure, and then we're going to filter it based on that. After that, we're left with 18 results. I haven't looked at all of these, and I'm not going to say that they're all good. That depends, or is up to you then to look through each of them. But 18 is a lot different from 349. So again, please be sure to use your filters. You also have an advanced search option in this site as well. A nice thing when we talked about primary and secondary sources is ABC-CLIO. You have video footage and audio footage and speeches and a lot of things that are more primary source, letters and narratives, right over here, than you do from, let's say, Google Scholar or even EBSCO. So be sure to use those. I've just put in another search term, Mark Twain, just to give you some more ideas of what you can get. Let's just go ahead and click on his name. You'll see that what we got comes from biographies. We have quite a bit of information down here. Anytime he's mentioned, it's going to be highlighted. And also nice is that down here, just like in the other sites, they provide you the MLA citation. You can also view all citation styles, again, to copy and paste into your works cited. Also over here, to move my screen over, you're going to have access to photos, illustration, different cultural documents. On this side of the screen, know that again you have the option, please, to email it to yourself or to print it, or you can just click Cite. That's an easier way to get there sometimes. Again, it's important to follow your trail so that if you read this article and you decided you wanted to use it, you don't forget about it by the time you go to copy it into your works cited page. If you have any questions, as always, just let me know.